Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Ikta Indians. Eat healthy, live healthy. Today I am going to share with you one of the most exemplary, delightful, authentic traditional Bengali cuisine, Tangra Macher Chotchori. Tangra Macher Chotchori is the amalgamation of fried catfish, that is Tangra Mach, with seasonal mixed vegetables in some spices. It is pure comfort food which provides huge satisfaction to everyone. So let's start the recipe. Here I take fresh catfish, that is Tangra Mach. At first I clean it properly and wash thoroughly. Here I also take some sliced fresh radish, sliced one medium-sized tomato, sliced brinjal, some cauliflowers, sliced fresh baby flat beans, sliced onion flower stalk, sliced one medium-sized potato, finely chopped one medium-sized onion, and fresh coriander leaves and 2 teaspoon ginger garlic paste. I cut all the vegetables almost in same shape. Now I marinate the fish with 1 teaspoon salt and 1 teaspoon turmeric powder. Now I heat a pan and add sufficient mustard oil into it. Once the oil is heated sufficiently, then I add marinated fish into it. Let it get fried on one side for 2 minutes, then turn on the other side and fry for another 1 minute. Never over fry the fish, else the fish oil will get lost. After that, I lower the flame and take out all the fried fishes from the pan and keep aside it. Then I heated remaining oil and add 1 teaspoon black cumin seeds into it and saute it for a few seconds. After that, I am adding 1 medium-sized finely chopped onion into it and saute it for a few seconds until it turns light brown in color. Now I am adding all the sliced vegetables one by one into the pan and shallow fry them until it turns golden brown. In this recipe, this process takes time a little longer, but it makes the difference of the taste of the recipe. Now I am adding 2 teaspoon ginger garlic paste, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon turmeric powder into it and saute for a few more seconds until the aroma goes away. Then I am adding 1 medium-sized sliced tomato into it and mix it well. Now I am going to add 1 teaspoon dry roasted cumin seeds powder and 1 teaspoon coriander seeds powder into it and mix all the things very well. Now I add 1 teaspoon red chili powder and 3 slit green chilies into it and mix it nicely. Add salt and chili according to your taste. Now I am going to add little amount of water into it, but I have not added excessive water to cook the veggies or the fish. Addition of excessive water makes the chochori soggy and mushy. And mix them nicely. Now I cover the pan with a lid and cook it 5 to 10 minutes on medium to high flame. After 10 minutes, I open the lid and stir it nicely. Then I am adding all the fried fish into it and mix all the things very well. Now again I cover the pan with the lid and cook it for 10 to 15 minutes on medium to high flame. After 10 minutes, I open the lid and lower the flame and give a nice and gentle stir. After that, I sprinkle some chopped fresh coriander leaves on the top and give it a nice mix. Now I turn off the gas and transfer it into a serving bowl. Tangra মাছের চচ্চড়ি is ready to serve. This palatable, authentic dish goes amazing with piping hot steamed rice. Thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you like my today's mouth-watering, spicy, authentic traditional Bengali cuisine, Tangra মাছের চচ্চড়ি. You must try at your home. It will be a wonderful treat to your family. So please like and share my recipe and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will be see you soon in my next video with some new recipe. Till then, enjoy cooking. Bye bye.